Hey, what up everyone, it's your boy Dio and this is Frontline Investments. So this video is about the research centers for cancers out there in the United States. You see, in the United States, there are about 1,500 cancer centers in the United States, and that is a potential 1,500 Bionano Genomics Saphyr device, sales. Okay, so this video is about this potential. But before I go into this video and I show you guys what is going to blow your mind, I want to quickly take a look at the technical analysis, because the market right now is down like 8%, and I believe it's unfair if I don't take a quick look at the technical analysis and show you guys where I would be buying. Of course, I am all in already. I put all my money in Bionano Genomics since last week, so right now all I can do is just to watch and to do a little bit technical analysis for you guys, so that you can at least know where to buy or where to add to your position. So the first good news is, take a look at this, guys. The market cap, my video from last week on the market cap was maximum 3.1 billion US dollars, but guys, this is almost 4 billion US dollars, okay, which is a good news. And the volume is also not really bad. Okay, so let's take a look at the technical analysis as fast as possible. So if you guys remember from my previous video, the technical analysis, where I predict my price target till end of month is 30 US dollars, and I drew this support, you guys can easily see, like I said in that video, the price is not going to go up in a straight line. Okay, it's always a red and green candle. If you take a look at this from the bottom, you can also see it's red, green, red, red, green, red, green, red, 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 green. So it doesn't go up in a straight line, guys. So you cannot just expect every day to be a green day. And of course, tomorrow is a very important day. But before I go to tomorrow's topic, I want to quickly show you guys one more thing. Then we can, go on to the next part of this video. Where is it? Drawing. I am looking for the indicator. It's here. We got the BNGO band. I am going to make this black, and I'll make this black as well, and I'll leave this like this. I'll remove this fill, save. So I want to show you guys from the 1 hour candlestick, should in case you are wondering where you could buy right now. Take a look at this, guys. We have a strong support here. If you take a look at the 1 hour candlestick and you plot your BNGO band, you can see there is a support here. Okay, the middle moving average of the band, you guys can see. So if I would be adding to my position right now, that is what I would be doing. Yesterday we closed like a double top, and I was afraid that could lead to a little bit correction, and that is exactly what is happening right now. But I have a good news for you guys. Okay, let's go to the next one. Guys, this is the good news I have for you. You have nothing to be worried about. Tomorrow, like I said on Friday, the video I made on Friday, where I said I am going all in, I said in that video, I made a statement that you buy the rumor, you sell the news. That is mostly what happens, in trading and investing. So on Friday and Thursday, last week in general was the best time to, buy or go all in or do whatever you want to do with this stock. Okay, so Friday was when I made my own move. Immediately the market opened on Friday. I went all in, because I knew this week was going to be hot. It's more or less a thing of buy the rumor, sell the news, and that is what is happening today. They are selling the news today. We have day traders also, not only long-term investors like you and I. Okay, so the day traders, they mostly take profit as well. So this is what is happening tomorrow, guys. We have Erik Holmlin, the chief executive officer of Bionano Genomics, tomorrow is going to participate in this fire chat, okay, at the BTIG MedTech Digital Health, Life Science and Diagnostic Tools Conference. So that is where we have a little bit consolidation, in my opinion, today. Okay, I mean, the guy has to go tomorrow, and perhaps tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It's either we consolidate continuously tomorrow until after this event, or we are going to see a normal gap up tomorrow, before the market opens. So guys, just stay put, don't chicken out. I think tomorrow is going to be super interesting, because So you don't just see the chief executive officer of Bionano Genomics going on a fireside chat. This is something very unique. It's not something you see every day. So this is a very important event and you have to pay attention to it tomorrow. So let's go to the next one. Our purpose is Bionano Genomics has to sell enough sapphire and they have to sell enough consumable chips so that they can make money. Because if Bionano Genomics makes money, it means we are also making money as investor, because the price of their stock is going to go higher. You know, when they bring in more profit, it means the price of the stock will go higher and we can make money. Okay, so I am going to start with this because there's something I want to show you guys. Okay, there's a huge potential. I mean, 1,500 cancer centers out there, and I am going to connect the dots for you guys today. Okay, we all know how the Saphyr works. You know, you open this area and you put in this consumable chip. And one thing I want you guys to pay attention to in this part of this video is this. Okay, because most people still don't know what this is. You see, this chip, this is for one person, second person, third person. And this chip, when you put it into the Saphyr, you know, it takes like 6 hours for this Saphyr to read all the genomes of each human you put in the chip. You know, this is more like 3 person per 6 hours. So that means the Saphyr can run like 12 human sample per day. It means you have to turn on the Saphyr like 247. Then you can analyze, it can read 12 human samples per day, and the researchers can detect if there is something wrong with the genome or not. Okay, so that is how the Saphyr works. I want you guys to know that, because the next part we are going to, it is very important for us to know this information. 96 human genomes per week. Okay, that is what each Saphyr can do. So let's go to the next one. You see, about a month ago, on January 19, 2021, Bionano Genomics made this press release. They spoke about this. This is the only thing I want you guys to be aware of, because this was an amazing news, okay? So the important thing I want to point out here is the only name of this center, okay? MD Anderson Cancer Center. This name, okay? Because I need it for the last part, and now we can go to the next part. Now, this is the last part of this video. This is NCI-designated Cancer Center. Okay, NCI, the meaning of NCI is National Cancer Institute. That is the meaning. And you can see these designated cancer centers are a group of 71 cancer research institutions in the United States, supported by the National Cancer Institute, that is NCI. And one name, the only name that is on this page, guys, guess which name it is? MD Anderson Cancer Center. Okay, MD Anderson Cancer Center. That is the only cancer center. Okay, let me explain this page for you guys. Okay, take a look at this. Here it is written 1,500 cancer centers in the United States. And that, guys, that, ladies and gentlemen, and that, boys and girls, it means these are 1,500 centers that Bionano Genomics can potentially send a Saphyr to, and that is 1,500 Saphyrs. So if you take your calculator right now and you try and calculate 1,500, I mean, one Saphyr costs about what? 150,000 US dollars is one Saphyr. So if you multiply that by 1,500, guys, that is insane money. That is 225 million US dollars. Okay, and that's why I am crazy about this video. Of course, all these centers are not going to order a Saphyr, but just imagine. And I am going to tell you guys one thing, because these centers are not really, they get grants from the United States government. I mean, they are not really using their own money to run these centers. And I am going to prove it to you guys in a minute. Take a look at this, guys. There are 51 comprehensive cancer centers, okay? There are 13 cancer centers and 7 basic laboratory cancer centers. Now, take a look at this line. This is one line. This is another one, and this is the third one. So the first one, the first 51 comprehensive cancer centers, they get like, look at that, guys, 1.5 million US dollars per year from the Department of Health and Human Services, okay? And the second one, the clinical center, cancer centers, they get like 1.4 million US dollars per year. And the third one, the basic laboratory cancer centers, they get like 1.2 million per year. So these are cancer centers, okay? And we know Bionano Genomics has been advertising, they have been pushing forward, their Saphyr device, doing all this symposium after symposium, fireside, and so on and so forth, holding all kind of press conferences just to advertise the power of the Saphyr, okay? And now I have proven to you guys that these cancer centers, they are getting grants, from the NCI. They are getting grants from National Cancer Institute, okay? So they are not really using their money. If you apply for this kind of grants, if you are one of these centers and you apply and you tell this National Cancer Institute that you want to use it for your research, a Saphyr costs about 150,000 US dollars, guys. That is a little amount because, this is what they do. So you only have to buy this Saphyr once, okay? It's not like something you are buying every year. Of course, it's a device that needs to be serviced sometimes, or if it breaks down. I don't know the longevity of this device yet, but for sure, I'm still going to do it in one of my next videos, okay? So another thing I want to point out to you guys is, take a look at this. I'm going to go through this line because there is something that is very important here, because here we have the MD Anderson Cancer Centers, and these guys have already said they discovered something with the Saphyr device in the previous article posted by Bionano Genomics that I just showed you guys before this page. So take a look at this designation process. Cancer centers must renew their status with the NIH every 5 years. The NIH funds cancer centers through a P30 Cancer Center Support Grant. Okay, blah, blah, blah. To be eligible to apply, a cancer center must receive at least 10 million US dollars in cancer research funding annually. Preparation for these grant applications can be extensive. The most recent grant application prepared by MD Anderson Cancer Center took 24 months to prepare and was 2,963 pages, okay? And for some reason, MD Anderson pops out from this article. So now to conclude this video, take a look at this, guys, list of centers. Look at that. These are more or less universities, okay? This like in every state, like every university out there, that has anything to do with medical or medicine, that has anything to do with cancer. Look at them, guys. Each in every state of United States. I can almost say there's a location in every state. Look at that. And these are potential buyers of Bionano Genomics Saphyr, okay? Look at that, guys. This is insane. And we all know one Saphyr is able to, analyze 96 human genomes per week. So these guys are potential buyers of the Saphyr device, because if Bionano Genomics is able to sell the Saphyr, it means we investors are able to make profit from our investment. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what I have for you in this video. Until the next video, you guys know in each video I bring you something that is hot, so that is why you are subscribed to my channel. And if you are new, that's why you have to jump on board. Come on, this is about your money, not my money, okay? And remember, do your own due diligence. I am not your daddy and definitely not a financial guru, okay? This video is just for educational purpose. Have a wonderful day, guys, and thank you for the likes and comments, and thanks to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, okay? I appreciate you guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.